All right, guys. So I've moved the camper. This thing is still so light. I just picked it up. Picked up the tongue and rolled it around. So it's great. Anyways, I'm gonna get to work on the camper. I'm gonna try to stick y'all somewhere where you can kind of see me. And I'm gonna start insulating the inside. But first, I'm gonna really secure the walls to the floor. Let's get this thing done. All right, let's go.
It's Clarence Cadiddlehopper, and you're watching my YouTube channel. Woo, doggy, let's go build, break, or blow something up.
All right, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna nail down, well, actually, I'm gonna staple down all the way around. I just kind of tacked it in place when we stood the walls, and when I put the sheeting down on the side, I nailed it, well, stapled it into the actual floor. But now I'm gonna go in with what would be considered the seal plate. I'm gonna nail it down, staple it down even more. Here I go. All right, guys, guess what? It's time. We have the base stapled down, and I've got a couple little pieces of wood that I'm gonna have to put in, but I'm gonna have to wait till it's daytime because it's getting too dark in my garage to see. What we're gonna do though, we're gonna start putting in insulation. Let's go. All right, right there. That's what we're going to use. Okay, guys. So I got all the bottom stapled down, and I'm going to start putting in the insulation board. We want, how simple can I make this? Shiny out, shiny in, white to white. That's pretty simple. So, this is a 3/4 inch styrofoam. It's a Polypro. I'm not being sponsored by them or anything else. It's just what they had at Home Depot. Well, actually, not even Home Depot. This came from Lowe's. Very affordable. I'm gonna put 2 layers, and that should give me somewhere around, I don't know, what's it say? R5.69, somewhere there, I don't know. R5, that's better than nothing or a punch in the face. So let's go. I'm gonna cut this, we'll cut this to length first. I'm gonna start with my ceiling. And it's gonna be 76 3/4. All right. Well, what I'm going to do is something y'all probably can't see, but this is going to be 19 inches from the end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it and I'm going to run my finger down the end of the styrofoam board and just mark it with this right here and just go all the way down it. And then I'll cut it. Now, I have some buddies they actually take their tape measures and they'll sharpen this little dude right here just a hair, and they'll cut their foam with it. Pretty ingenious if you ask me. All right. Now, I could have went with some other type of foam, but this is gonna make a big mess, you know, because it's not the kind that most people would use, I guess. I don't know. It's the kind I'm gonna use. Now, let's see what this first one measures. All right. But I'll tell you guys, that's the beauty of this stuff is it's not going to be perfect. And it's all good. It's going to be good enough. That's what it's going to be. Good enough. All right, I'm probably gonna stop talking. I'm just gonna start working, and I'm gonna time lapse this or skip a bunch of this crap, and I'll come back here in a minute. Let's do it! Woo! Hey, Batman, you know what? I'm gonna have a whole lot of cleaning up to do after this. That's a shout out to Oregon Batman, the guy who inspired me to do this. All right, guys. So, let's do this. Let's take you down here. I'll show you what I'm doing. All right, they're right there. And you see how flush? Absolutely. I mean, that is like perfect. So, I'm going to do that, and I am going to make this one big, gigantic cooler, basically. And y'all don't want to see that, so I'm going to get back with you when I'm done with that. Catch you later, alligator. All right, guys. It's been a couple hours. I think it's about 21 degrees outside. I've got one little bitty heater. It's what I would call a milk house heater going, but there you go. Roof is in. I'm gonna keep on going. I'll get back with you. Well, good morning, guys. It's the next day. I stayed up pretty late last night. Got, the roof done. Got most of that wall. Got this wall, and got the back wall. I'll tell you what, guys, this stuff takes a whole lot longer than I thought it was going to. So I'm gonna keep on plugging on. Get this thing done. All right, guys. So it's been 24 hours since I started this yesterday. I did stay up pretty late last night. So let's look and see what I did. All right. Ta-da! I stayed up and worked in here last night until almost 1. So I tell you, this stuff is time intensive. Oh yeah, probably the biggest beatdown of this entire build so far is just trying to get all of this put into each little bitty hole. And of course it's double because it's, 1.5 inches thick. So you have to cut 2 for everything. And then the amount of little white balls everywhere, holy cow. Anyways, stay tuned. We're gonna keep on going. And on the next video, we're probably gonna be putting up walls. Putting up the sheeting on the ceiling, walls, and then we're gonna pre-paint all the walls and ceiling before we start doing cabinets. I'll catch you later. Y'all have a good evening. Bye.